All right, continuing on our paleontologist text, I'm going to tell you to please reread all of this to continue working on your comprehension, vocabulary, and fluency. So go back through every section: dinosaurs, mystery solver, and paleontology. All right, and then today's lesson, once you have done that on your own, is working on key details and facts. So we're setting evidence from the text to answer in complete sentences. So I'm going to give you ideas, some sentence starters, and then you're going to do the heavy lifting. So the first question is, what is a paleontologist? If we're going to restate the question, we're going to say a paleontologist is, so let's start it, a paleontologist is. Okay, and then blah, 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 blah. So I would look here at the beginning. Paleontologists, dinosaurs. Paleontologists are scientists. They have an interesting job. Although dinosaurs no longer exist, we know about them because of paleontologists. So you can say that they're scientists. Also, they're a very specific scientist that actually researches very specific things. So when you talk about paleontologist, you can talk about the scientist, and then please also talk about some of the other things that they might study, okay? Number 2, what is the main topic of the passage? If you just write paleontologist, that's not the main topic. It is the title, but it goes a little deeper into that. So if it's saying, what is the main topic of the passage, I'm going to restate the question. I'm going to say, the main topic of the passage is, okay, if you're looking at this entire thing, the first section is really about paleontologists and what they are. They're scientists, and go back into stating things that no longer exist, like dinosaurs. Then it goes into this section called mystery solver, where it talks about why are they important. They help, their studies help us learn about changes, plants and animals, and why they disappeared. And that helps us fix future problems. Because they're looking at things that have been extinct for millions of years and things that are no longer living on Earth, then we can kind of see what might happen in the future. Paleontology has not changed a lot. Basically just the tools that they used to use, shovels, picks, and other hand tools. Today they have a lot of technology, computers, machines. And then finally, would you think this would be a neat profession when you grow up? So what is the main topic of the test? To me, the topic of the test is about a specific science study called paleontology, and how they study things from long, long ago, animals and plants, to discover what happened. So I'm not going to write it down because then you'll just copy it. But I explained verbally what, in my words, I would say the main topic is. You write down what you want to write, as long as it is going back and using evidence from this passage about what it's speaking about. Number 3. How have paleontologists changed throughout the years? Okay. Third section, paleontology. Paleontology has not changed a lot. Long ago and today, paleontologists use shovels, picks, and other hand tools. Today, they find fossils by using technology. They use satellites and computers. Now they even use machines. Do you want to be a paleontologist when you grow up? So to me, you could talk about how actually paleontology has not changed that much, but what has changed is some of the tools they used. For example, they'll use more technology and machines to help them in their research. Okay, I just made 2 sentences. Ooh, so refer back here. Remember, whole sentence, capitals, and end marks. Number 4, what is the connection paleontologists? What is the connection? You know what? This should have another word. Between. What is the connection between paleontologists and the planet? So we're making a connection right here. I'm going to tell you this mystery solver section will help you a lot. So why are paleontologists important? They solve mystery of our planet's past. Ooh, oh, that's how they can connect to your planet. Their studies help us learn about changes. Interesting. They discover why plants and animals disappeared. This helps us fix future problems. Objects they study have been extinct for millions of years. They find plants and animals that are no longer living on Earth. So we talked a couple of times about the mysteries of the planet, about plants and animals that have disappeared and are no longer on Earth. So it seems to me like paleontology is all about discovering things that have disappeared on Earth long, long ago. I'll give you one sentence starter for an example. Paleontology and the planet are connected because, and then tell me how they're connected. Okay, what does paleontology have to do with Earth? If I told you paleontology has nothing to do with Earth, I don't get it. Like, nothing. You could be like, well, Miss Reeves, actually, right here in the text, it does talk about what they do, solving the mysteries of our planet, about discovering plants and animals that have disappeared, about studying things that have been extinct on our Earth for millions of years, right? There's so much good stuff here that you can talk about.